Hello everyone, welcome from Frogtech Tips. Today I just like give you some tips how you can earn some money, especially when you're doing shopping on the internet, like online shopping. You can easily get a cashback for nearly every single shopping you do. I do that lots of time and give me lots of money. Actually, I would like show you this and maybe you can help me get some extra money. I'll tell you how. Referral link I will put on the description. If you use this referral link, you'll be actually get some bonus for that as well. Okay, how you can get this is so easy. Just use the site which is called topchashback and Google it, and yeah, this site is so good. I can just log in now. Quickly log in. Okay, I'm logging now and I'll show you how you can easily earn the money. Actually, it's so simply. If you buy the insurance, you buy the stuff, you buy stuff on eBay, you buy stuff everywhere. You can, like example, I forgot to set this mainly for the UK stuff, but you can definitely use somewhere on the world. I think there's a CDkey and stuff like this somewhere. Every country has something like this. Just try Google it. But this is mainly for the UK. Like BT new customer cashback can get up to 90 quid, and it really works. Sky Mobile up to 16 pounds. Sometimes it's not too much, but I'll show you how much I earn. And if you check my account, look at that. I've got outstanding balance 3.38, but I've been already paid 515 pounds. I think it's over 3 years or something like this. It's really good. For what I get, it's actually for a shopping and buy insurance for my car, buy new broadband deals, buy that and that. Everything what I buy, I just buying over this website, and yeah guys, it's so cool and I like it. Just you must always remember use this site. As you can see, I can earn now for every friend who use my referral link on this one 15 pounds, but usually this is 5 pounds. This is really good. Earn money easily. See, I can use this and I will be receive 15 pounds, but you will be receive 5 pounds Argos gift card. Now there is also different because sometimes you get a 5 pounds, sometimes 10 pounds. It depends what time you use these referral links. Definitely you will get something as well. It's more better that you just log in with no referral link, because this referral link will be really nice. If you use, it will help to my channel get something extra. Also I will see your support. But what all I can do, yes, I use the free account, but I can upgrade the I use the free account, but I can upgrade the plus membership, which you pay like 5 pounds for a year. If you use, you get a slightly higher rate. Like you can see, plus member get a 20 pounds, but to be fair, I don't think it's worth. I'm still alright for the couple of pounds different. And good point is, if even on plus member, you'll be never pay that money from your own pocket. It's always once you earn exact some money, like in 2 pounds from a payout, there will be like reserve some small amount, like small percent for the make a payment. So I can now make a pay. You can do a PayPal, you can do a Paycheck, but if I will be have a plus account, some of this money is will be actually keep on side, and once a year we'll be collecting with stop cashback for a plus member account. But you wanna see earnings, you see eBay. I do lots of buying on eBay, like you go £1.50 get a 2p back, £3.50 get a 4p back. Yeah, it's actually not a big 18 pounds 18p back, but if you do lots of shopping, it's give you lots of money. If I travel, I buy a ferry, Look at that, £10 back from 86 is not really bad. This is just a small example. Best money you can get, especially if you get like insurance and stuff like that. Yeah, look at that, like insurance. I buy insurance for £620 and I got a £50 cashback. Only problem or time scaling is sometimes huge, especially like from insurance. You need to wait for this cashback like 7 months, but you will definitely get it. Don't worry. I never been scammed with this site. It's really good and so easy to use. Just make your account over my referral link, please, and once you are logging in, you just type what you want, like example eBay, and once it's there, just going to click cashback, and yeah, you see, you got a 1%, 1.0.1% cashback, possibly get it back, with maximum up to £50 cashback per transaction. It's not too much. It's from £100 is £1, but it's the money nobody give you. That's the main point. Nobody will be give you this money, and you can have them, especially for free. Once you type this, you just get a cashback now, and this will be automatically log into your eBay, and you can do a shopping as normal you want once you know the website, and now you can just use as normal you use any website. Just buy, do shopping you want to like. What actually I usually do, if I need to buy something, I just put on my trolley, and once it's everything on the trolley I want to buy, I close my eBay and I go into my top cashback site. I click get cashback now from eBay and going straight away to my trolley and just buy them, which is more easy, and I don't need that going over and over for some product. Yeah, guys, this is a really way you can easily get some cashback, free cashback back, and this especially for the UK side. I'm sure there is a more site like this one for all world, everywhere. I know there is a site for Slovakia country, there is a site for Czech Republic, there is a site for Polish, I see the site for the Germany and French as well. Yeah, I'm not remember the site. You just can Google them and try read a review and stuff like this. But yeah, it's good. Trust me, it's good. I'm so happy. Over 3 years, I get a £500, which will give you nobody. That money going straight away to your account, and you get them like free. Why not? Okay, guys. Hopefully you like this, and click like, click subscribe, and give me more watch time. That will help. See you guys on my next video. And don't forget, I'm running a giveaway still, if you not watch this video after 1 year. Hehe. Bye.